Are you wondering how to design beautiful Instagram posts? Look no further. With Canva, designing visually appealing posts has never been easier. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the design process. First, open Canva and select the Instagram post template to get started. This will ensure that your design is the perfect size for the platform. Next, you can either choose a pre-made template or create your own design from scratch. Canva has a wide range of templates available for any style or theme. Now it's time to add your content. This includes your visuals, text, and any additional elements such as icons or shapes. Keep in mind that less is often more when it comes to design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export it. Choose the appropriate file type and size for Instagram, and voila! Your post is ready to be shared with the world. Canva makes designing Instagram posts simple and effortless. With endless design options and easy-to-use tools, your creativity can shine through. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.